Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, your girl looks a bit different today. Today we're actually going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Like, I've not done one of these in such a long time. So you can see the fan is on. My baby is on the bed sleeping, so I really hope that the fan does not bother you throughout this video. And also please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and also turn on the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. So yeah, that's it. Let's jump right into the video. So the first thing we're gonna start with is my eyebrows, and we don't want to do a very harsh eyebrow because the look we're going for is very light, and to have a dark eyebrow contrasting with a light eyeshadow look, that is not gonna look cute. So I didn't even show you guys what the look I'm going for. So there it is. I popped it on screen. We're going for a very angelic look today, you know. If you can hear the fan, that's because my son needs breeze. He is asleep on the bed, so yeah. Let me just do my eyebrows quickly and I will be back. I really like how my eyebrows look. They look very natural. You know, that's the look we're going for. We're not going for any arch, any dark brow, because we don't want to look too dramatic. The focus is going to be on the eyes and not the eyebrows. So to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the AOA liquid concealer, and this is in the shade Nude. This is the lightest concealer I have, and that's why I'm going in with this one. So can you guys see how pigmented this concealer is? And I'm also going to take it to the bottom of my lids, well, of my eyes. So to set this concealer, I'm going to go in with my lightest powder because I want my eyes to be as bright as possible for the look that we're going for. So I'm going to use the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent. You guys can see this is white. Okay, so just use any white powder that you have. It really doesn't matter. We're not going for the same products. I don't want you guys to worry about getting the same products. It's just the look, okay? It's just the look. So I'm using the same brush just to pat this on. So now that I have that powder down, I'm going to go in with a lighter eyeshadow, and I'm using this shade from my Falana Causmetics palette. So I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm just going to pack it on to my lids. I'm now going to go in with a white eyeliner, and yeah, I know, I understand, I'm using a lot of AOA products, a lot of Shop Miss A products, but that's what I have on hand. So this is the Vivid Liner, and this is in the shade Ooh La La. So I'm just going to do a wing first, and then after that we are going to do like kind of angel wing kind of thing. You know, we're going to see what we get. Okay, so now we're going to be getting into the nitty gritties. So I'm going to now take my liner, and I'm just going to draw some very wiggly, I'm just going to draw some lines to see if we can get a wing looking kind of thing. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I'm going to attempt to draw lines. Not lines, to draw parts of a wing. Okay, this looks nothing like what I was going for. You know what? Let's turn these into a butterfly wing. Woo! Okay. Does this look like butterfly wings? I don't like how this looks, so we are going to start this over. Okay, let me just remind myself of what this eye look should look like. So I was making it harder than it actually is. So it's just some lines, okay? As I said before, some lines, not any squiggly lines, just lines. So I'm gonna start from here and I'm just gonna go out. Good. And then I am gonna go again, a short line and then a longer one. And that's what I'm gonna continue doing. That's all I had to do. That is all I had to do. So let me do the other side. That was wow, I can't even speak now. That was officially the hardest I've ever had to do. So let me just let this dry before I do anything else. And now to open my eyes even more, I'm just gonna go in with a Lottie London AM to PM eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sunburst. And then for mascara, the Thrive Causmetics, just to, you know, coat my lashes. Now on to the face. For primer, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Pro Mattifying Primer. So I'm just setting my face with some translucent powder. Did I say translucent? Translucent. Yeah, that's right. Translucent powder. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and this is in the shade Coffee. And the last couple of times I've been doing my makeup, I've been applying it and blending it out with a flat brush. I really do like how it has been looking, so that's what we are going to do. This concealer really does wash me out. Like, don't I look very like bland? Oh my god, this foundation, I mean, wow. Okay then, the concealer I'm gonna go in with is also the AOA concealer, but this is in a different shade. This is in the shade Soft Tan, and I'm just gonna use very little of this because I really don't need much, just need a little bit, and I'm going to use this for my entire face because you guys know this concealer spreads like butter. Okay, and I'm also going to keep blending out with this flat brush. So for powder, my Jordana pressed powder, and I'm in the shade Honey Amber, and I'm going to put this where I just placed my concealer. Okay, you can open. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna put this on a, what is this called? A puff? A puff, yeah. I'm gonna use a puff. This video is just I guess I just have not sat down and done my makeup while filming in a long time, so that's why I am so out of practice, if you say it like that. So I really don't want to bring too much darkness to my face, so I'm just gonna bronze, and I am using the highlighter and contour palette from Morphe, the High 5 palette. I don't think you can get this palette anymore. I don't know, but I'm using this shade, and it's the shade Fabulous. And along my hairline to blend it in a bit. So I'm using the Tokyo Milk blush in the shade, well, I'm not sure if it's the shade name, but it's Margot or Elena, and this is what it looks like. It's really red. Like, and I love it. Okay, so I'm taking this on the same brush, just gonna try and pack it on, and we're just going to, ooh, you see that? See that? Okay, that is pigmented. So for highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter, and this is in the shade Summer Haze. This is what it looks like. This I also have not used in such a long time. So I'm gonna go in with my Appeal brown liner in the shade Deep Taupe. I have had this forever. It breaks a lot, but let's see. This is the Dose of Colors matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Nude Mood. Just a little bit of this. Don't want the brightest of concealer lips. Just want to look like my lips, but just better. A little bit more in just the center. Okay, so yeah, let me just change and zhuzh up myself a little bit more, and then I'm gonna come and close out this video. That brings me to the end of the video. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I hope you have a faithfully blessed day. Let me know down below what other videos you guys would like to see. Yeah, that's it. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.